In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack channel. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or just need to remove a channel that's no longer active, it's a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can do this quickly and efficiently. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Slack homepage. Once there, log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, take a moment to ensure you're on the correct workspace, especially if you are part of multiple teams on Slack. This way you won't accidentally delete the wrong channel. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar, which is your channel section. This is where you'll see all the channels you are a part of. Scroll through the list until you find the channel that you'd like to delete. Click on it to open that channel. Once you're in the channel, what you're looking to do next is click on the channel name at the top to reveal the information about the channel. From the drop down menu that appears, select View Channel Details. This will open a new pane on the right side of your screen displaying various details about this channel. Within this pane you will see various tabs. Go ahead and click on the profile and members icon to find more options. Look under the settings tab next to it. This is where you'll find the bulk of the options and settings related to the channel. You'll notice an option that says settings in the list. Click on it and then you should see an option that says delete this channel. Be careful here, deleting a channel is permanent, so make absolutely sure this is the action you want to take. If you're sure, click on delete this channel. After you click that, a confirmation box will likely pop up to ensure that you really want to proceed. This is a good opportunity to double check you've selected the correct channel and to consider if this is truly the action you want to finalize. If you're certain, go ahead and click yes, permanently delete the channel. Following this, you might have some lingering files or attachments associated with the channel. For a clean slate, you might want to go to the file section associated with the channel. Locate any files you wish to remove and click on delete one file as prompted to ensure everything related to this channel is cleared. You've now successfully deleted a Slack channel. Take a moment to pat yourself on the back. You've tidied up your workspace and ensured your team isn't cluttered with unnecessary channels. If there are other channels you want to clear out, you can simply repeat these steps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.